Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. Today we're diving into something exciting, how to grow $1,000 into $1 million with cryptocurrency. Now, before we start, let me be real with you. This isn't a get-rich-quick scheme. Crypto is high risk, high reward, and turning $1,000 into $1 million takes strategy, patience, and a bit of luck. But it's absolutely possible, and I'm going to walk you through the steps to make it happen. Let's jump in. First, you need to understand the crypto market. It's volatile. Prices can skyrocket or crash overnight. To hit that $1 million mark, you're looking for coins with massive growth potential, like 100x or even 1000x returns. That's rare, but it's happened before. Think Bitcoin in its early days or Dogecoin during its meme coin craze. Your $1,000 needs to catch one of these waves. Step 1. Set up your foundation. Get a secure crypto wallet. I recommend something like MetaMask or a hardware wallet like Ledger for safety. Then sign up on a reputable exchange. Binance, Coinbase, or Kraken are great options. Deposit your $1,000 and you're ready to roll. Step 2. Research like your life depends on it. Don't just throw money at random coins. But look for projects with strong fundamentals. Check their white paper, team, and community. Low market cap coins under $50 million have more room to grow compared to giants like Bitcoin or Ethereum. For example, if you put $1,000 into Solana when it was pennies in 2020, you'd be a millionaire today. Timing is everything. Step 3. Diversify, but not too much. Split your $1,000 into, say, 3 or 4 promising projects. Maybe $400 in a solid altcoin like Cardano, $300 in a newer gem you've researched, and $200 in a wildcard, a meme coin or something trending on X. This spreads your risk while keeping your upside potential huge. Step 4. Play the long game with a twist. Hold most of your investment for months or years. Crypto millionaires are often the ones who don't panic sell during dips. But also, keep $100 aside for short-term trades. Watch market trends, use tools like TradingView, and flip that $100 into $500 during a pump. Reinvest those profits into your main holdings. Step 5. Stay updated and adapt. Follow crypto news on X, join Discord communities, and watch for hype cycles. If a coin you own starts mooning, like 10x or 20x, consider taking some profits to lock in gains. Reinvest that into the next big opportunity. Compounding is your secret weapon here. Now, let's talk numbers. If you turn $1,000 into $10,000 with a 10x coin, then catch a 100x runner with that $10,000, you're at $1 million. It's a long shot, but people have done it. Just look at early Shiba Inu investors in 2021. 1,000 became millions at its peak. Final tip: manage your emotion. Crypto is a roller coaster. Don't invest what you can't lose and never FOMO into a hype train without a plan. Stick to these steps and you've got a shot at that $1 million dream. That's it, folks. If you found this helpful, smash that like button, subscribe, and drop a comment. What's your favorite crypto pick right now? See you in the next one.